Hi, students. So if you have been given an assignment from a teacher that requires you to write an essay, and you need to use either Google Docs or Microsoft Word to complete the assignment, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So when you're in your school email, obviously you will receive a notification unless you have turned notifications off, letting you know that you have an assignment. So here I am given an assignment and I can click on open and it'll take me to my Google class to look at that assignment. So the same thing, you could do the same thing by going to, once you're in your school email, click on the Google Apps, go to Classroom, and it'll take me to my classes. So this is a creative writing class. Obviously, you may have other classes in there, so just choose the right one that the assignment was given from. So once you're in your Google class, you can click on the tab that says classwork. And in here, I can see my classes or my assignments that have been given. So the one that is currently that I need to work on is Abraham Lincoln assignment. So if I click on it, I can read the instructions from my teacher, write a 3-page essay on the life of Abraham Lincoln, and I can go ahead and click on view assignment as well. So I can look at that whole thing. So again, these are the instructions so that I know what I need to do. So obviously, this is going to require me to write an essay. Again, you can use Google Docs or you can use what's on your computer, which is Microsoft Word, to write the essay. So if you want to do it all online, you can go ahead and use Google Docs. So once you're in your Google class and you can see your assignment, you can click here and click on add or create. Again, my teacher didn't give me a blank document to write within. Some teachers might do that for you. So here I'm just giving instructions to do the work, and I'm going to go ahead and use Google Docs to create this assignment within it. So I'm going to click on add or create, and I'm going to choose docs since it's going to be a document that I'm going to be writing. So it's going to go ahead and create a blank document for me, which is a Google Doc. And once it's ready, it'll take me in it. And what it does is the name of this account is Test High School. But what it's going to do whenever you create it, it's going to add your name to it. And then it's going to give it the hyphen Abraham Lincoln assignment name. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and write my 3-page essay. So once I am done writing my essay, this is going to save it automatically. So as you can see here, last edit was seconds ago, and it'll save it automatically, like I said. So once you finish writing it, it's as simple as clicking up here, turn in, or you can just close it since it already saved it for me. And what I can do is turn in once I'm in my Google class. So for instance, let's say that this is going to take me a couple of days to complete it until the due date that for this one is Monday. So I can always just come back in it and continue writing. So if I have more to add to it, I can continue writing until I am satisfied with it and I'm done editing it. So once you're done and you're ready to turn in, all you have to do is click on turn in. So another way that you can complete this is let's say that you don't have internet access, um, but you already know that you need to write a 3-page essay on Abraham Lincoln. You can use the computer's program, which is Microsoft Word. So let's say that, again, you don't have internet access to be online to do the Google Doc. You can just click on Microsoft Word, open a blank document, and you can begin writing your essay. So this is my essay now, and it is completed. I'm going to go ahead and file, save as. I'm going to go ahead and save it. So I'm going to save it to my computer and I'm going to save it to my desktop. I'm going to give it a name or a title, Abraham Lincoln essay. So you may want to also put your name on it. So the account again is Test High School, but you'll give it your name. So once I save it, it's going to save it again under my desktop, and I can just close this out. So now I can just, since we're not going to use that Google Doc, I'm going to just go ahead and close that out. And I'm going to go ahead and upload my essay that I created on the computer using Microsoft Word. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add or Create. And I'm going to go ahead and choose a file since I want to upload my Word document. So I'm going to go ahead and upload and I'm going to browse. And again, you're going to browse from your computer. I saved it under my desktop. The name that I gave it is Abraham Lincoln Essay Test High School. So that's my document there. I'm going to choose it or click it and then open it. So it's going to upload that document and you'll see it there. It's a Word document. And you can even click on it just to make sure that it is the essay that you wrote. It'll give you it'll display the document so that you can see. So now I'm going to go ahead and go back. So again, once you have that document uploaded and it's ready to turn in, you just click on turn in. It's going to ask you to, if you want to make sure and that this is the correct document that you're submitting, turn in, and that's all. So hopefully that helps you on turning or submitting your work. You can do the same thing with anything else. If you're doing a PowerPoint presentation, you can use your computer's program to do that. Or if you want to use Google's documents or Google Apps to do that with, you can as well.